Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at this new streaming microphone from Trust called Lance. If you look here at the back, you will see that it's in English, German, French, Netherlands, Italian and Spanish, saying that it's perfect for podcasts, vlogs, voiceovers, music recording or streaming on YouTube, Twitch and Facebook. And it also contains a tripod in this package. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's open it. We have here the pop filter. We have the shock mount. We have a legal and compliance information here. We have a sticker. And we have a user manual. We also have the microphone, USB-A cable, and a tripod stand. Now I will put it together and have a test. I now put the microphone together and I will make a sound recording of me reading the specs for the microphone. Microphone type condenser, frequency range 20 Hz to 20 kHz, max XPL 120 dB, direction unidirectional, sampling rate up to 16-bit 48 kHz, cable length 1.8 meter, stand holder, tripod, accessories, shock mount, pop filter, tripod stand. That was me reading. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And I would like to hear from you in the comment section. That was all for today, and I see you next time.